जी बटन दबाकर आविष्करण और लोकार्पण करें। ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోటి అభినందన తెలియజేయండి. అలాగే ఈ
activity and accelerating growth under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Government of India continues to strengthen the foundations of a Viksit Bharat. Today, Andhra Pradesh is receiving major development projects, marking a major milestone in Andhra Pradesh's aviation journey. The Alluri Sitarama Raju International Airport, Bhogapuram, is being inaugurated. Developed at a cost of over 5,600 crore rupees, it has an initial capacity to serve 6 million passengers annually. Spread over 2,200 acres and designed as a next-generation smart airport, it is much more than an airport. Beyond the runway, the AeroCity, the Aviation Hub and EduCity will bring together enterprise, talent, learning and community in one connected region, creating skills, jobs, education, healthcare, new markets and stronger communities. It will drive tourism. Beyond the runway, the AeroCity, the Aviation Hub and EduCity will bring together enterprise, talent, learning and community in one connected region, creating skills, jobs, education, healthcare, new markets and stronger communities. It will drive tourism, investment and economic growth across the region. The foundation stone is being laid for the ASIP Semiconductor project at Visakhapatnam. With an investment of over 460 crore rupees, the facility will manufacture around 96 million semiconductor chips annually and create high-skilled employment opportunities, strengthening India's clean energy network. The foundation stone is being laid for the transmission system for integration of Kurnool 4 Renewable Energy Zone Phase 1. Being developed with an investment of over 5,500 crore rupees, the project will enable the evacuation of 4.5 gigawatts of renewable energy and its integration with the national grid. 2 additional transmission systems are being inaugurated. The Kurnool Wind and Solar Energy Zone Transmission System, developed at a cost of over 3,500 crore rupees, and the Anantapuram and Kurnool Solar Energy Zone Transmission Scheme, developed with an investment of over 800 crore rupees. Collectively, these transmission systems will strengthen the national grid by enabling reliable transmission of clean energy and support India's energy transition and sustainable development. The foundation stone is also being laid for the high-level bridge at Lingasamudram on NH 565. With an investment of over 25 crore rupees, 3 completed road projects are being dedicated to the nation. These include the 27-kilometer Recharla-Guruvayagudem Greenfield Highway, developed at a cost of over 760 crore rupees. The 29-kilometer Guruvayagudem-Devarapalli Greenfield Highway, developed with an investment of over 930 crore rupees. And the 6-kilometer Tadipatri bypass on NH 67, constructed at a cost of 160 crore rupees. These corridors will promote Guruvayagudem-Devarapalli Greenfield Highway, developed with an investment of over 930 crore rupees. And the 6-kilometer Tadipatri bypass on NH 67, constructed at a cost of 160 crore rupees. These corridors will promote regional linkages, enhance access to major religious destinations, improve safety, and reduce travel distance. Together, these projects will improve connectivity, strengthen infrastructure, expand clean energy capacity, and create direct and indirect employment opportunities across Andhra Pradesh. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, these projects mark another decisive step towards a Viksit Andhra Pradesh and a Viksit Bharat.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Kuch